This is what it currently looks like outside. Gloomy. Why?
Oh my god. Hey guys.
I look good.
Can we go now?
Yep.
Check that shit out. Look comfy.
How much she's gonna sell? Do you see that? Oh, that's fine. Nice.
Oh shit. She has stuff in the back. She has to get her little bags. Recycled bags. Welcome to Sprouts. So the power just went out in the grocery store. We won't possibly be able to scan any of this stuff in. Oh, went back up. Nice. Alright, keep looking for your soup. I want to try that. Who knows if it'll be that good. But I want to try that. I want some ice cream. But then it's like, I don't know, should I take some? I feel like this is more of my vlog than hers because she's over there hiding. With that little tiny head. And what she's looking for. Oh!
The best cold, rainy weather food. We got some vegan grilled cheese and tomato basil soup. Yes. It's still pouring rain, as you can see. Babe's focused and hates me. He's doing schoolwork and I was working on a blog, but my sister needed my laptop because she was taking one of her finals and the power switched out and then shut her iMac off completely. So yeah, and I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Maybe I'll edit some pictures or something, or do a craft because I'm like useless without my laptop. So maybe I'll read a book. I don't know. I need to meal prep. I don't want to. We'll see. Oh, and the gym closed, so can't even go to the gym. Thinking about doing the home workout, but I hate working out at home. I don't know. I put a hair mask in, the same one that was in my last video, I think, yeah. And it's been in my hair for like 20 minutes, I think, and I took the time to clean a little bit, clean my room, tidied it up, and I vacuumed. Yeah, and I got a meal prep still. I've been working on some crafts. I want to sell these as little ornaments, so this is my first little batch of them, and I don't know what all I'm gonna do, but I'm getting started, and after after I wash this out of my hair, I'm gonna meal prep. So I'll show you that. Nothing exciting or anything, but yeah. These are my dinners for the week. So I just made this green, I don't know what it's made of. This tortilla from Mission, garden spinach herb tortilla. And I put some refried pinto beans in it. And then I put vegan cream cheese and some tomatoes in there. And then just some white rice. And I decided not to make the soup tonight just because I don't feel like it. I'll make it in the morning or around lunchtime, whatever. But I'm just gonna... I don't even know.
you two.
Shut up. It's like 8:30, so I'll probably just keep painting, maybe blog some more. And yeah, I have off tomorrow again, so I can finish it tomorrow. And hopefully I'll have more energy then. Alright, it's now 11:30, and I'm in bed. I don't know how I'm not more tired. I was so tired earlier, but I'm gonna read a little bit before I go to bed, and I'm always reading like 2 or 3 books at once, so right now I'm reading Never Eat Alone. A friend of mine was letting me borrow this, and I think I'm gonna read that right now. What's this? Man's Search for Meaning. And I don't have much to go on that. I think I lost the bookmark. 8 Steps to Happiness, which is like a Buddhist type of book. But yeah, I think I'm gonna read this one. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's still raining. It hasn't like stopped raining at all, but thankfully we haven't had any like power outage completely. I was able to drive to get groceries, and there's not, you know, crazy flooding or anything like that, so I'm definitely grateful that this isn't as bad as, you know, everybody expected for Georgia. But yeah, a lot of schools and stuff are still canceled tomorrow. Luckily, I didn't have to work today, and I don't have to work tomorrow. I think my job is still open anyway, but I didn't want to end up losing money or anything, because that's never good. So yeah, tomorrow I'm off again, thankfully, just so I can get more done, and I'll get this video up. I don't know if I'll film tomorrow, I'll see, but yeah, I want to get more done for my blog because I didn't quite finish anything that I wanted to today with that, so yeah. But I'm gonna call it a night, and I'll see you guys in the next video.